The 8938 form has two other very significant consequences for the crypto trader. One is if you haven't filed it when you should have, then the statute of limitations protection never starts until that form is filed. It could go for years and they could come back at you with that. So even if you filed your taxes right and you had foreign activity and you should have filed an 8938, you don't have the statute of limitations protection. The statute of limitations protection, typically after 3 years, the IRS can't come after you anymore. But if you fail to file an 8938, there's no SOL, no statute of limitations protection for you until you do. So it keeps going on and on and on. It keeps you at risk. Nobody wants to live that way. Also, any income that you fail to report on your tax return that's related to assets that should have been reported on that form, such as crypto, foreign exchanges, DeFi trading, then the accuracy penalty is increased from 20% to 40%. So they've really ratcheted up the penalties on that. So I should say this because Form 8938 is a tax form and your tax preparation software or tax accountant should prepare it. However, most tax software does not support this form because it's rare that it's used. And many accountants will never ask the right questions about this form. Also, because it's so rare that anybody ever has these, with the FBAR form on Schedule B at the bottom on Part 3, it asks if you had over $10,000 in foreign accounts. And if so, it specifically instructs you to file the FBAR form. If you fail to answer those questions right, you're into a fraudulent situation as to failing to file an FBAR. So these two forms are very important. What you want to remember is that you may have a foreign anti-money laundering reporting obligation. There's no tax associated with it, but the consequences of failing to do it can be bad. We teach in our DIY course on our website how to do both forms, and you should watch that so you can check to see if your accountant did the job right. So remember, anti-money laundering forms is something that most crypto traders are going to have to concern themselves with.